Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got an unboxing video. Now before you all jump in the comment section and say I thought you wasn't buying any more silver and gold this year, this isn't actually silver and gold, it's something to store my YouTube stack in. Now for many of you that have watched my channel for a while, you'll know that I've got a couple of different stacks. I've got kind of a collectible stack, I've got a weight stack, and then I have my YouTube stack. Now this is my YouTube stack here. It's currently in an old shoebox, and I thought it's time for an upgrade. I have got another part of my YouTube stack, which is in a wooden treasure chest, which many of you have commented on, said you really like the look of it. I literally bought that treasure chest on eBay. I thought it looked really cool. I thought it looked quite kind of old-fashioned and rustic. So that's why I brought that, and it's time to upgrade the shoebox because my YouTube stack seems to be getting bigger. I kind of gradually shifted some stuff from my long-term stack into my YouTube stack, and it won't all fit in the treasure chest. So I thought I'll buy this so I've got something else that looks cool on camera and it just looks better to store it in. Now let's get this out of the way, let's get straight into the video. We've got some sweets. That's quite cool. So this company that I brought this from is a company that specializes in cigars and whiskey, I believe. And it looks like they also do lighters. There we go. So the leading cigar specialist. Okay, no, so they don't do whiskey, they just do cigars. So it looks like they actually sell cigars, but they also sell the boxes. So they sell the empty boxes as well. So I thought it would look really, really cool to have a cigar box to put my YouTube stack into, because I think the boxes look really cool. They're wooden, they look really effective, and I've seen other stacking channels that store their silver in cigar boxes, and I thought it looks quite nice on camera. So I picked up this one. Now I literally went for this one purely based on looks. There was some that were cheaper, there were some that were more expensive, but this one just looked really, really cool. Look at that. Look how cool that looks. I'm going to try and get this sticker off because this is going to ruin it. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to get that off another day because I don't want this sticker on there. Now, I don't actually smoke, despite my husky voice, believe it or not, I don't actually smoke. So I don't know whether these are a good make of cigar or not. I don't even know what make they are. There we go. So maybe if I do a shout out to Silver and Cigars, if you're watching this video, please let me know if these are actually a good cigar make or not. Because like I said, I didn't buy it based on the brand or anything. I literally brought it based on the packaging because I thought it looked really, really cool. It's got a latch here. It's actually got a double latch. That's pretty cool. Look, so you've got a double latch that opens up and then it opens. And you've got quite a nice bit of space in there. You've got this, there you go. So that tells you what make it is. Black Market Alec Bradley. So like I said, I don't know if this is a good make of cigar or not. So Silver and Cigars, I'm wondering if you can identify these cigars that would have been in here. Are they a good brand? Let me know. There we go, look. So Black Market Punk. I'm guessing that means box of 22. So yeah, really cool box. And so I looked on eBay for an old cigar box, and a lot of them are kind of battered and bruised, where people have kind of kept them the whole time while they're smoking the cigars, and when they come to sell the box they look a bit battered. Whereas because this company actually sells cigars, I'm guessing this has literally been in their warehouse, they sold the cigars from it and then they sell the boxes. So it's a really cool idea. So yeah, we'll show off their website again. I'm not sponsored or anything, it's just literally a website that I stumbled across. I don't know if it's worldwide or if it's just in the UK, so you'll have to have a little search. but you can see it's an actual shop that sells cigars. So yeah, pretty cool. That's quite a nice box, look at that. So yeah, give them a little search if you want to get one of these boxes. There's their website down the bottom there, cigarslimited.co.uk. So yeah, there's the box, and now let's start putting my silver in there. Now, currently my silver is in an airtight container, and that was to kind of slow down the toning and the tarnishing of the silver. But I thought, you know what, it might look actually more interesting if my silver that I showcase on this channel is a bit more weathered and it's a bit more tarnished. So I'm going to be releasing it into the wild, if you like, and we're going to be getting rid of this airtight container, and we're going to be putting it straight into this new treasure chest. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm still going to keep this in the plastic because she needs to stay in good condition. Absolutely gorgeous piece. I was watching Constitutional Stacker the other day, and he's got two of these. He calls them the twins. And his ones, I thought they were the same as this, but his ones are the antiqued version. And if you think this looks good, they look even better because they really pop. You've kind of got the antiquing effect all in the grooves and everything. So it looks really, really good. If I would have known that there was an antiqued version when I was getting this one, because I got this after watching one of Constitutional Stacker's videos, I would have definitely chosen the antiqued one. But nevertheless, still a gorgeous looking piece of silver. Pop her over there. Got my 1 gram barter bars from Backyard Bullion. They're going to go straight in there. Probably still keep that in there because that will keep some moisture out. Got my 1 ounce bars, the Sunshine Mint ones that are released into the wild. Took them out of their original mint wrappers. Really, really nice bars. These ones, Scottsdale 1 ounce ones, they're really cool. Another Sunshine Mint one there. Then we've got my American Silver Eagles. I do love the American Silver Eagle. What a gorgeous coin. I love how it's such a larger coin than some of the 1 ounce coins. It just looks so good in the hand. That one there's already got a bit of tone in it. Put them straight in there. Actually going to open the blinds because I've got a feeling this video is going to be like the other one where it keeps auto-focusing. There we go, that might be a little bit better. I hope it hasn't been auto-focusing the whole way through like it did on one of my other videos. My old circulated silver. Pop that in the treasure chest. Other bits and pieces there. Kangaroo. These are really, really milk spot these. It's a shame because, to be honest, these aren't a great looking coin anyway, in my opinion. I don't think the Kangaroo pops enough. I think there's too much going on. I think if they kept it kind of plain background in the middle around the Kangaroo, that would look such a better coin. I always think there's too much going on with these coins. But still, silver is silver. And we've got the 10 ounce bar there. This is actually a vintage one. One of my viewers pointed out this is actually a vintage bar because it's got the 3 full JM logos. You see the other ones are all cut off. If it's got the 3, apparently that's one of the more collectible ones. So yeah, really nice bar. Make a bit of room for that in here. Chuck those in there. Look at that. How nice does that look? We've still got plenty of room in there as well. So maybe I'll get one of my tubes out of the long-term stack and empty that into there as well to fill it up a little bit more. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about storing your silver in a cigar box. I think it's a really nice rustic looking thing. And this one's such a sturdy box. I could definitely recommend this box. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Like I said, they're going to start toning a little bit quicker now because they're not in the Airtight. But I just think this looks more appealing. Once I get this awful sticker off, I'm going to have to take that off and get rid of all this stuff that's coming off with it. But I just think that looks a lot more visually appealing when you're making videos, because you can open it up and you can just go in and grab some silver out and have a play around with it. So yeah, let me know what you think about this video. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks again for all the support. I really appreciate it. I'm going to pop this in there as well, but I'm just going to put her in there because I don't want her to get too badly scratched. Oh, almost forgot this one. My 1 gram 365 days of silver bar. There we go. So like I said, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.